I just want to point out that no, I haven't been punched in the face. Basically, I let my girlfriend wax my monobrow and then it left all this sticky stuff behind, so then I tried to scrub it off, and yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. Anyway, today we'll be looking at what lens hoods are, why we use them, and why they're typically manufactured in many different shapes. If you say that you've always used lens hoods right from the start just because they improve your images, then you're a big liar. Pretty much everyone started out using them because they look cool, they make your camera setup look way more professional, they make your lens look a bit bigger, and yeah, overall they just make you feel more professional. But truth be told, they actually have a bigger purpose. They reduce stray light from entering the front element of the lens. This can cause unwanted flaring in the final image. Let's look at some examples. So here I'm not using a lens hood at all, and you can see that it's causing quite a hazy looking image, especially in the darker parts of the picture. And here I've got a lens hood on, and we've got much more of a contrasty image overall. Sometimes you want this hazy look though, and it's not a bad thing to have. I'll put examples on the screen right now of when I've used this hazy look to my advantage. So if they all do the same job, then why do they come in so many different shapes? Wider lenses have what's called a petal shape to them, while longer lenses and fixed prime lenses tend to have more of a cylindrical design. The reason why wider lenses have a more unusual shape to the lens hood is to cut down on vignetting or darkening of the corners. See, it's easy to forget that the sensor behind the lens is rectangular, so where the corners of the image are is where the lens hood dips or reduces in size, thus giving it an unusual shape compared to other lenses. So there you are. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like. It really does help me out in beating this YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment and let me know if you use your lens hood all the time or whether you only use it for special occasions. Finally, click subscribe and hit the bell icon. Again, it really does help me out a lot as well. I post 2 videos a week, so it's well worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.